7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Good morning, T-Birds. It's Sophia.
And I'm Vanessa. Today is Wednesday, March 6, 2019, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
Sunday is daylight savings time. That means we spring forward and turn your clocks forward 1 hour. Sunrise and sunset will be about 1 hour later than the day before, so expect more light in the evening. Tahoma TV reporter Kevin Perales asked students if it's useful or not.
Hi, my name is Kevin on Tahoma TV, and today we will be interviewing students about daylight savings.
Jackson Lawrence.
And what do you think about daylight savings?
I think it's kind of useful, but in one way and another, well, you get 1 hour less of sleep for the hours.
What is your name?
Katie.
And what do you think about daylight savings?
I think daylight savings is all right. You know, some people use it, some don't.
Do you think it's useful?
Maybe to some people, but, you know, people want to save their daylight, I guess, but some probably don't like the idea.
Interesting. Thank you for your answers. And what do you think about daylight savings?
It's annoying because it ruins my sleep schedule.
Do you think it's useful?
No.
Again, I'm Kevin on Tahoma TV, and that's all the answers we got about daylight savings.
Hey Vanessa, how do you feel about daylight savings?
I like it because I can stay out longer.
Me too. The days last longer.
There's a SAT prep workshop after school on Tuesday, March 19th and Thursday, March 21st. This is for juniors looking to maximize their score on the upcoming March 27th SAT test. Spots are limited. Go to the Career Center to register.
Speaking of school, the next Saturday school is March 16th from the 9 to noon in the 700 hallway.
Struggling in AP? Get the help you need at the next AP Saturday on March 23rd at Stadium.
Get your yearbooks now while they're still $40. The price will increase to $50 soon. Here is a yearbook staff member, Alani, to tell us more about the book.
Hi, I'm Alani Wynn. I'm in yearbook class. Pictures, statements, and all in one page. So we want to make the pages like fantastic as we can. We go online. This is where like how we edit the yearbooks, whatever. And it's called yearbooksforever.org. Hopefully, I think it'll be finished by April. We had to do like spring sports. We had to do like girls tennis, fast pitch, soccer, boys soccer, girls swimming. I think that's it. Or water polo. I'm not sure. Track. My best memories like how everyone's like all working together and we all collaborate. Like how should we style the pages? Someone like we're all like happy and joy like we work together as a team. Stress? Let's say 8.5 out of 10 because you have to take pictures of the clubs, sports, and it's hard to like maintain your time and take pictures of the other club's time before we actually have due dates for like each part of the pages. Yeah. Buy the yearbooks online at yearbooksforever.org.
Speaking of yearbooks, this is last year's yearbook. You planning on getting a yearbook?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, me too. I just want to remember my high school career.
The Deaf T-Bird Club will be holding their car detailing fundraiser on March 14th and 15th, 2:30 to 5:30.
Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Vanessa. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.